Today we're making quiche Lorraine. To start with, I'm going to make the pastry. So it's 12 ounces of sieved self-raising flour. You can use plain flour if you like, but I personally prefer self-raising. To the flour and salt mix, add 8 ounces of butter. So it's 3/4 fat to flour. I use a K mixer beater on the mixer to incorporate the butter into the flour. On a low setting, just let the butter work into the flour. That's about enough, that's the right consistency. Wrap in cling film now and place in the fridge for at least 20 minutes so that the pastry rests. These are the ingredients for the filling, so either 2 small onions, or we've used 2 shallots because I prefer the flavour of shallots. 5 ounces of grated cheddar cheese. 5 rashers of smoked back bacon, but you can use streaky, and you don't have to have smoked. 4 large eggs, half a pint of full fat milk, We start off by cooking the bacon.
Okay.
Right, that's done. Saute the chopped shallots or onions if you prefer in the lovely bacon fat. Just saute the onions or shallots just for a few minutes, and then they can be added to the mix. Just chop the bacon up into small pieces. There should be enough pastry here for 2 flans, right? So, but I'm going to cut it in half and demonstrate just for one. After patching the pastry up, we now divided the mixture into 2 because we're making 2. And so just place in, lightly spread, half of the shallot or onion if you're doing using an onion. And half of the bacon. And half of the cheese. A bit more. As I said, we've halved the ingredients as we're making 2, so we whisk the eggs together. And then gradually add, I think it's 1/4 of a pint of milk, yeah, 1/4 of a pint of milk. Pour the whisked egg and whole milk mixture over the top of the quiche. And you bake at 180 degrees for about 25 minutes until the mixture is set on top. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees and bake for between 25-35 minutes. Just keep an eye on them. My quiche Lorraine, a very simple savoury dish and delicious served hot or cold with salads. If you enjoy our recipes, please like and subscribe to our channel. See you again and thank you.